It was a sunny day when this crazy thing I have inside in my chest started to bloom like a flower that's full of lines, sweet scents, and of course, a radiating beauty. It somehow defines me. Someone said, true love is hard to find because it's hard to identify. But I believe in destiny. I want there to find that love because destiny will do it for me.
My drawing, it's almost perfect.
I'm sorry, it's my fault. I treat you na lang as an exchange.
I remember that.
Me too.
May kasalanan ba ako sa'yo?
Yes, you stole my food right now.
Duh. It's nice.
Thank you. I don't need it anymore. Do you want this?
Okay.
Let's take a
Okay guys, let's sing. Ibibigay ko ang lahat.
No open straight, but you need vocal lessons.
I disagree. Vocal lesson needs me more. Wake up, boy! I wait. Awake, pare. Di ba paring Ace? Yes.
I think you need to find a new pare train. I second the motion.
Okay.
Hello, OA. Wait. Hoy!
Let's act like nothing. Tingnan natin pag di yan bumalik.
Yes.
By the way, guys, do you know Bumalik Ka Na Sa Akin? Or maybe you have other song suggestions?
I suggest Boko. Sige, sige.
Okay, let's sing it, guys.
Nililigawan pa lamang kita dadala tuwing gabi masilayan lamang ang iyong bumalik ka because grabe wala kayong pake kahit umalis ako.
Ang OA mo to.
We're just making fun of you.
We knew you'll come back.
So, guys, let's continue.
Wow, it's beautiful. Can you draw me?
I'm actually not really good at drawing. Aray! It hurts!
Oh, she's red! Ano?
Hindi, sa kalokohan. What do you want to eat?
This.
That's all? How about drinks?
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay, Sito will do.
Okay. Tao po. Pabili. Ito.
Thank you.
You're the one that never lets me sleep. To my mind, down to my soul, you touch my lips.
Hey! Wait for us! Hey!
Why?
Wala.
You're eating, so don't cry.
Okay, sorry po. Anyway, whose food is it and why you're not eating it?
this food, you can have it. I'm gonna eat this inside the classroom, but suddenly I'm full.
Wow. Can I take a bite first? It's a long time ago, the last time we ate.
Sure.
Phoebe, I'll go to your house after class.
As if this girl is listening.
He's handsome.
That's how stupid love is.
Love is never stupid. It's not behavior that's stupid when in love.
Still, love is the reason of stupidity.
It's not. It's on how a person thinks.
But heart influenced the mind. Whatever.
Do you want to eat this one? Rain!
Ano ba naman yan? Parang patay gutom si Faye.
Oh, why are somebody getting angry?
Hindi. I'm watching a love triangle. Pero, hindi talaga mapipigilan ang gutom ni Faye. Gusto yata ng love square.
What the?
I'm just telling the truth.
Pabili po.
Oy, Ace! What are you going to buy?
This and also this one.
Okay, 13 plus 8, that would be 24.
Okay.
Here you go.
Wait, Rain!
Cedric, what are you doing?
My mom cooked so much and she said that I can give some to my friends. So, here you go.
Thank you, may pangulam na ako mamaya.
Sige, sige. Welcome. Wait, Ace! What are you doing? Just chilling. Okay. Sige, muna na ako. Rain, alis na ako.
Sige, sige, bye.
Bye.
Oh, Cedric! What are you going to buy?
Actually, I'm not here to buy.
Then, what are you doing here if you're not going to buy?
Yayayain sana kita lumabas saglit. It's been so long. Fun together.
What?
I mean, so boring lately. You in?
Sure, I'm in.
Let's go.
As in, now?
Yes.
Okay, just wait me here for 5 minutes. Mag-aalis muna ako. Mag-run before I get back.
Just take your time. You're always beautiful, Rain.
Cedric, is there something wrong with my face? Cedric, huy!
I'm sorry. What?
I said, is there something wrong with my face?
Wala.
Okay, let's go na! Nag-enjoy ako ron and I'm already full. Thanks for the food and sa pagala, said.
You're always welcome, Ray.
By the way, we have a game. Saan mo kapunta pa?
What time?
1 p.m.?
Sure!
Teka lang, may kukunin mo ako sa bahay. It's okay.
For me?
Yes.
For what?
Of course. To support me.
Go 17! Go 17!
Wala naman Lalo na yung naka-black. Ang pangit mo.
He's so handsome. Who? Oh, he's my friend. His name is Cedric. So you know him? Yes.
Oh no, I'm late! What's that? That's nothing. Obviously, I'm here to support Cedric.
Is it true that I'm saying rain with Jesse? Wait lang.
Saan patungo si Sid? Dito doon. OMG, smiling. I think he's coming for you, Phoebe. Oh, I'm sorry, Pip. I thought he's coming for you. It's okay. Hindi ko naman niya ako kilala. Kaya why? Is he coming at you, diba? Oo nga naman. Wala dito.
Hi. I thought you're not coming.
Yeah, it's traffic, that's why I'm late. Just waiting.
It's okay, as long as you're here. By the way, I'll go there.
It's okay, friends. They are just best friends. Yeah.
OMG, what happened? I don't know.
Please help me. Hi, I'm Phoebe.
Cedric.
You're okay?
Of course, I'm okay.
You're not okay. I see you're in love with your best friend, huh?
No.
I know everything the way you look at her. But it turns out, she's in love with someone else. By the way, water?
No, thanks.
Get that. I know you're thirsty.
Thanks.
Sino pa to?
Hoy, sila May! Cedric? Cedric!
I'm sorry, what?
Wala, I said gala tayo.
Sige. Napakatanga naman.
Owen, I didn't notice the cave. What happened? Are you sad? I think I knew it. Am I right? Yes. Oh my gosh. Do you like him that much? That's not a question. Then why don't you try to confess? If he can't do that, will you can? I can first answer. Dude, why do you think your friendship will be at risk? Damn girl, I've seen how he looks at you and it screams admiration. Looks are just looks. What if his heart and mind choose otherwise? No one knows. Well, this is kind of big decision to make. But will you be happy to lose the chance and regret at the end? Kai, I saw how he looks at PB. I was actually going to give him water because I knew he needs it. But guess what? I saw them talking together like lovers after game. Their sweet smile says it all. Rain. Oh my gosh. Does love really feels like this? Do I have to come at this stage? You know, they said love and pain are bound together. So maybe it's a yes. But as for me, I don't think love and pain are bound together. Love doesn't have to be painful, you know? This isn't love. You know, it wasn't love that hurts, but the confusions you feel.
Ginagawa mo? Parang kang gano'n.
Beautiful, right?
Ang ganda mo. Unfortunately, destiny wasn't in our side.
Bakit naman? Di ba siya nang lumapit sa'yo? Ha?
Wala. I understand.
Does it hurt?
Oh,
Pag-ibig na naman, no?
I'm not sure.
Bakit?
Naguguluhan ako kung gusto ko ba talaga siya bilang siya o gusto ko lang siyang palaging kasama. I really don't know.
Maybe you should really first find out what you really feel.
If I do that, may pag-asa pa kaya ako?
No one knows.
Pwede bang magbabayad lang ako sa kala? Magkaibigan kami, pre. And I'm afraid if it will end us not.
Pre, it's okay. But remember, do it while the time is running,
Hoping I find the answer soon.
as you should.
Said, can I have some of your drink? I'm thirsty na kasi.
Sure.
What's with that smile?
Nah.
Don't be sad. She's happy with someone else. So be happy. Be happy for her.
For her.
Dad? Dad?
Finally, we're together again, guys. It's really good to be back again.
Let's all escape from our problem today.
Yeah, by playing our childhood game.
How about bubukang bulaklak? What was that again?
Everyone, listen. You're so noisy, Train. Ikaw, Cedric, nakikinig ka ba?
Of course.
Okay, I'll be the queen, guys. No one's going to disagree. Ako na nga to eh.
Okay da. May magagawa pa ba kami?
Guys, alis muna ako. May kukunin ako saglit. I'll be right back.
Okay, sige.
Uy, sama ako!
Huwag na, para ka ng bata.
Okay guys, magsimulan na tayo.
Wait, we'll not wait for Cedric.
Oo nga, hindi naman natin magkasama ulit. Tapos may maiiwan pa.
Iyan go.
Train, ano ba? You're so loud.
Sorry guys.
Start na nga!
Go!
Sisira ang bulaklak, bubuka ang bulaklak. Sisira ang bulaklak, bubuka ang bulaklak. Puntiyaya, bumyeye.
OMG!
Oh my gosh, can someone please slap me? Aray!
You said, can someone slap me? So I did.
Guys, I want you to meet Phoebe.
Sorry to ask, but what are you two?
Well,
Oh my gosh! Engaged na kayo?
Yes, uninvited kayo sa kasal.
When ang kasal?
Next month.
Cedric, ba't di namin knows to?
well, actually that's the point why I brought Phoebe here to tell you that we're engaged to someone I can truly love.
Wow, congratulations.
Thank you guys.
Congrats!
Thank you.
Let's continue our game. Maybe you can join us.
Uy, start na!
Sina, circle ulit!
Maybe you can join us.
Actually, I just came here to tell you guys that we're engaged na. And I have to go na, trying some dresses on and everything. I need to get going. Bye!
Bye. Congratulations.
Bye, Han.
Okay, continue na! Uy!
Let's go. Let's do it.
Kaya mo yan, pre. Matanda ka na. Baliw.
Ang tagal naman! Sisira ang bulaklak, bubuka ang bulaklak. Sisira ang bulaklak, bubuka ang bulaklak. Pagdating sa hirap, pakimbo-kimbo. Bunti-aya, bumiyay.
Okay na yan, pre. Matanda ka na.
Baliw.
Ang tagal naman!
Sige.
Yeah, ayusin nyo na, bilog.
Uy, ikaw nang tayo.
Ako na ba?
One, two, three, go! Sisira ang bulaklak, bubuka ang bulaklak. Sa iyong maamo at kaakit-akit na mukha, masarap ang isdan. Dating sa
Pasok ka na, boy.
Tulala si Parikoy.
1, 2, 3, go.
Punti-aya, bumiyay. Sukong sa'yo lamang, palinga-linga. Isinasarili ang lahat ng nais masabi. Ginusto lamang ito'y isang tabi.
Hi. Everyone, listen.
Ace, what are you doing?
I like you ever since we were high school. I like the way you smile. I like the way your eyes twinkles when you're happy. I love everything about you.
Sa sobrang angas tignan mo lumalapit yung mga bebot, 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 bebot,
Everybody wanna rap pero di lahat may swag. Mga tirang balibag, sinalbay magdamag. Talaga na palaban pag kami yung pinapat, baby. Come and show me how you do it. Sobrang sana do you feel me? Mga bebo, tebo, nagtalbugan, tebo. Mga heket, silup, nakatimbre, mat.
Cellphone mo, John. 1, 2, 3.
Cedric, my drawing, it's almost perfect. Alay mo paggawa. Nalahin na.
2, 3. Action.
Guys, let's see.
3. Katawa. Action. Bagtas pa dong. 1, 2, 3, go. Ay, sige, sige. 3. 1, 2, 3, action. Nagatubang ra kanila. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, action.
One, two, three.
Sige.
Yain siya nakita sa labas saglit. Kasi...
3.
Bakit ako? Sure ba? Malamang.
Okay. 1, 2. Hana nakagkuan. Hana nakagdagan ba? Okay, action. One, two, three, action. Atras. Okay, go.
Just with her.
2, 3, action.
For what?
Of course. To support me.
Adyan na ako na ng labay. 1, 2, 3, action.
Go, 3. Go.
Asa?
3 action.
Go number 16! Go 17! Go 18! Go 17! Go 14! Sino ba siya? Ang boto niya.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Action.
Do you like him that much? That's not a question. Oh my gosh.
Action.
Isa, nakalimot ko. Ayaw, tanaw!
Harap itong iro. Ito. Alam mo. Naapara ba? Yan na si boss. Daghan. Harp. Laji. Anad lagi. Na?
Okay, da. Wala na kang
OMG. Oh my gosh, can someone please slap me? Aray. You said, can someone slap me? So I did. Pagdating.
Sisir. Ang ilara lagi na mga nagkalwadip. Higamay mo. Alay. Ngilara. Sean.
I like you ever since we were high school. I like the way you smile. I like the way your eyes twinkles when you're happy. I love everything about you.
Sungguh ketampanan ini benar-benar menyiksa ku. Makin lama makin banyak yang tergila-gila padaku. Tapi hatiku sudah terlanjur tertunduk di hadapanmu. Jangan sia-siakan ketampanan yang hakiki ini.